Hey everybody, just wanted to show you guys a video of what a finished product of one of my students' um, Google sites would be. Now, during the process of this Google site, making the Google site, we communicated through the Remind app and I sent reminders home, and I want to just basically make it really clear that I use I use the Remind app as a mediator of disseminating information to my students, and the bulk of the assignment deals with using Google Sites. So on this site, as you can see, I had my students create multiple pages. They were supposed to give information on different types of uh, like muscles or muscle groups within a body part or a particular body group, muscle group. For this one, it was the forearm, and they had to create a page for the function of the forearm, and each page had to have a different picture, so each one should be there unique. They had to give information about the construction of that muscle group and also list the site in which they got it from so they wouldn't be dinged for plagiarism. Alright, the next part, on the next page I had to do the anatomy of it, and same thing, they give a general description of anatomy, another picture that's unique to this particular type of topic, and then their description underneath. You can see exactly where they got it from and when it was posted. Then I made them make a page on stretching where they had to embed 3 YouTube videos that actually dealt with stretching exercises for, the forearm and the muscles within it. And you can click on any one of these and they'd start immediately. The last one was a forearm exercise page, and this one deals with the exercises for the forearms, where the other one was stretches for the forearms. And it really, I had a lot of kids knocking out of the park. I thought it was a great assignment. They really like to do it, and they got very creative with it. So it doesn't take too long for them to do it. Like I said, I gave them, for this particular assignment, I didn't give them the whole 2 weeks. I probably gave them about a week to get it done, and then graded and let them present for a few days on each part and take notes. Thank you very much for watching this little presentation. All right, appreciate you. Bye.